Every day, hundreds of students walk through this Union Building in El Dorado's main campus. So today, I'm going to be giving you a tour to show you some of the things that make this place so popular. When coming into the Union Building, you'll probably see the service desk. It's the newest addition, and it's always helping students and staff alike with any problems they might have.
At the service desk, what I do is basically I help faculty members or students that need something help. For example, if they have their account locked out from the Butler system, or if a faculty member needs a laptop, or their laptop are not working correctly, or the computer not working correctly, the printer, basically anything in campus.
When you walk in the front door, just to the left is Butler's very own bookstore. Not only can you get all the textbooks here, but you can also get school supplies as well as merchandise.
We offer whatever materials are required for this class. Computers, a limited amount of school supplies for those students who get here and forgot their pen or whatever, which is actually happens quite frequently in Andover. I think it's because the consumer comes immediately from work and then goes to class, and then it's like, oh man, you know.
Probably the largest and most well-known part of the Union Building is the cafeteria, serving students and staff every day of the week.
Well, we have a variety of things. We have our home-cooked meals, which is, you know, your meats and your vegetables and potatoes kind of thing, and rolls, of course. Then in our center of our cafeteria, we have the big salad bar with a soup on the end. So you have lots of different options there, and not just salad, but there's fresh fruit also every day. So, and then we have the deli bar where they can make their own sandwich. So they can pick their bread, their meat, their cheeses, and then we make it for them, and then we can heat it for them, or they can have it cold. And then our other side, we have like fast food kind of. It may be a hot dog bar one day, or burgers one day, and we also do cook to order over there too. Like today we had stir fry. So they could pick what they wanted, and then we'd cook it on the grill for them.
Also located in the Union Building is SGA's headquarters, housing both our Student Government Association as well as the head of Student Services. They have several jobs here on campus, but one of them is to make sure that students are getting what they need out of Butler. Another is making sure that the Union Building, one of the hubs for all students to come to, is a safe place for all students to be at any point. Whether you want to get some work done, hook up a console and have some fun on the TV, or just relax and hang out with friends. Butler's Union Building is an important part of the school. At some point, every teacher and student will probably walk through these doors. And it's no wonder with everything it has to offer. I'm Campus Edge reporter Zach Schwarzenberger on BCTV Channel 20.